Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.